more funny Dutch surnames. As I said before, I lived in Holland for 5 years, and when you're helping someone in a shop and you're just learning the language and you read these last names out of context, you're reading them from a piece of paper or a sheet or something, and you translate them literally in your head, they're hilarious. Number one, nachtgeboren. Nachtgeboren means born naked. It's the literal translation. Rotmensen means rotten people. Zonderkop, without a head. Zonderkop. Outenbroek means out of his pants. And zelden thuis, rarely home. Maybe Mr. Outenbroek is zelden thuis. Was he nachtgeboren?